Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can fix your NVIDIA game filters not working, okay? Now, this is a problem that some of you are gonna have, especially when you're playing new games, okay? Games that just were released, basically. For example, Monster Hunter was, okay, which is a game that just got released, and actually, right now it doesn't support game filters, okay? And how can we actually know if our game supports game filters natively is by going into Google and just typing NVIDIA app supported games, and we can just click in here and we can start looking for our game. Okay, so if I go to the to the M ladder, as I'm gonna do here, I can look for Monster Hunter and I can see that there is no Monster Hunter was here. Okay, so actually I shouldn't be able to get my game filters into this game, but what I have found that it really works is to turning on your experimental features or your beta features. Okay, and how are we going to do this is by going into our app, into our NVIDIA app in here. And now you basically want to go to your settings and you want to go to about, and now you want to click this early access feature which says opt-in to access beta or experimental features. You're just going to click this in. Okay, now after you click, make sure you restart your NVIDIA app, so just close it and open it again and restart the game that you are playing. And now hopefully you're going to be able to actually activate your game filters. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.